Welcome to my channel Chemistry class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we discussed about petroleum, and today we are going to study important fractions of petroleum. Now let's discuss in details. Important fractions of petroleum. My dear student, crude petroleum is a mixture of many hydrocarbons and is separated into useful parts called fractions. What are fractions? What are fractions? My dear student, fractions are the different components of petroleum obtained by fractional distillation based on boiling points. List of important fractions. First one, petroleum gas LPG. Second one, petrol, gasoline. Third one, kerosene oil. Fourth one, diesel oil. Fifth one, lubricating oil. And sixth one, paraffin waxes. Seventh one, bitumens. Now let's discuss one by one in details. First one, petroleum gas LPG. Lowest boiling point obtained at the top of the fractioning column. Uses cooking fuels. Heating. Second one, petrol, gasoline, light friction, highly volatile. Uses petrol are used as fuel for cars and motorcycles. Third one, kerosene oil. Kerosene oil have medium boiling fractions. Uses kerosene oil are used as fuel for stores. Also use an aviation fuel in jet fuel. Fourth one, diesel oil. Diesel oil have heavier than petrol. Uses diesel oil are used as fuel for buses, trucks, generators. Fifth one, lubricating oils. Lubricating oils have thick and viscous uses. All lubricating oils are used in lubrication of machines and reduces friction. Sixth one, paraffin waxes. Paraffin wax have solid or semi-solid. Uses paraffin wax are used in candles, polishes, and also in cosmetics. Sixth one, bitumens. Bitumens have heaviest friction. Uses bitumens are used in road construction and waterproofing. Order of fractions from top to bottoms. In fractionating column, top low boiling points, bottom high boiling points. Order: petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesels, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, last one, bitumens. Summary of important fractions of petroleum. Fraction: LPG of natural gas. Main use LPG as cooking. Fractions of liquid nature, also used in vehicles. Kerosene of also liquid, used in fuels. Diesels also liquid and used in highway transport. Lubricating oil or viscous, used in machines. Paraffin wax or solid, used in candles. Bitumens are also solid, used in roads. Conclusions of important fractions of petroleum. Petroleum is separated into useful fractions. Each fraction has different boiling points and uses. These fractions are essential for daily life and industry. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on important fractions of petroleum. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.